Hey, what's up guys, this is Jordan here, and today in this video let's unbox and review the Apple Airpods Pro truly wireless Bluetooth earphones, and let me help you make a purchase decision. After months of speculations, Apple has finally launched the third generation of Airpods with some brand new features and an updated price tag. So are these any better? Let's find out. So now as for the unboxing, in the box we get some paperwork or documentations. Then we get the lighting cable, some extra ear tips, and finally the charging case with the earbuds in it. These are available at the price of around 24,900 Indian rupees from Amazon and Flipkart India, and I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. So now is to give you a physical overview. On the front of the charging case we have just the charging indicator. On the back we have the button which is used to connect the AirPods to a brand new device, and down below we have the lightning charging port. The charging case also supports the magsafe charging. On the earbuds we find the ear tips, a noise cancellation microphones, mics for calling, and a multifunctional button and the charging contacts. As for the build quality, the case is made up of plastic which looks good enough, and it comes in a glossy white color which doesn't look premium. There is no movement of the earbuds inside the charging case at all, as the magnet is strong enough to hold the earbuds in its place. The earbuds on the other hand are also made up of good quality plastic, and they do feel quite good. So overall I was much satisfied with the build quality. Connecting the earphones to your smartphone was very quick and easy. Simply turn on the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi on your smartphone. So open the case and hold it next to your device to set up. With AirPods in the open case, press the button on the back until the light blinks. After that, open the Bluetooth search interface on your phone and locate the AirPods, and then click connect to pair your earbuds with your phone. As for the controls, the force sensor on the stem is not big enough and it needs a little bit of getting used to. Once you're used to it, then it works very seamless. Pressing the stem once on either earbud will play or pause the music and to answer or end incoming calls. Pressing it twice on either of the earbud stem will skip to the next song, and triple pressing will return to the previous song. And finally, pressing and holding the stem will switch between the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. It's also worth noting that these are IPX4 water and sweat resistant, so you can use them while working out. But it's not recommended to use it for water sports like swimming or even showering. The AirPods Pro come with the Bluetooth 5 technology, and it has a range of approximately 15 to 20 meters. But that depends upon different factors as well. As for the music playtime, I managed to get approximately 5 hours of playback with the ANC on and around 4.5 hours with the ANC off. It's also worth noting that if you charge your AirPods for around 5 minutes in their case, you get around 1 hour of the listening time. The call quality on the other hand was good enough, and I didn't get any complaints from the receiver's end. As for the charging time, I managed to charge the earphones with the carrying case from 0 to 100% in approximately 1 hour. Now coming to the comfort, there are 3 different tips included with these earphones, so I imagine one should fit your ears nicely. I use the default tips and I have had no problems whatsoever. You can also take the ear tip fit test from your iOS device to determine which ear tip fits you the best. The earbuds are angled slightly forward so that sound fits right in your skull, and they stay in my ears most of the time. Even while walking or jogging, I notice they stay firm in my ears, but if you do some rigorous movements of your head, then they might tend to fall off. I didn't have any discomfort from the earbuds, and the silicone tips are soft and non-irritating. As for the latency, the Apple AirPods Pro have very good latency, and I noticed very minor delay to no delay at all when I played the game of Call of Duty, and the no lip syncing issues while watching any videos. So when it comes to latency, I was really satisfied and happy with these earbuds. Now coming to the sound quality, The Apple AirPods Pro sound really good in my opinion and are quite loud as well. The drivers pump out good balanced bass, but if you're looking for heavy bass, then you might be slightly disappointed. The highs and hits on the other hand were good to my liking. I could easily distinguish between them while listening to different types of music, and they sound much richer. The vocals were reproduced very well and I didn't notice any distortion or vocals being lost, so even at higher volumes. So the ANC on the AirPods Pro are good enough, but they are not going to completely rid you of the low rumble of planes and trains. I would say they render the mid-range sound half as loud as they sound without any kind of ANC. So are they mind-blowingly amazing? Absolutely not. But the AirPods Pro should be fine for most people. The spartial audio with dynamic head tracking on the other hand, so far appears to be a very worthwhile upgrade. It brings theater-like sound from the movie or video you're watching, so that sound seems like it's coming from all around you. All told, it works superbly and really nice to experience it. I would rate the Apple AirPods Pro the 9 out of 10 purely on music basis and 8.5 out of 10 for the build quality. Finally, as for my verdict, if you're an iPhone or an iPad user and have been toying for an idea of going truly wireless with your earbuds, then the Apple AirPods Pro are the great choice. New noise cancellation feature is neat and useful, and the overall improvement to the sound and design couldn't be more welcome. Though they could get slightly loose during workout and they are quite pricey. But if you're an Android user, then I would suggest you to look somewhere else. So guys, that was all about the Apple AirPods Pro review. If you liked it, then a sub would be appreciated. Also kindly hit that bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.